guys, it's me. So now A is equal to Vf minus Vi. Now we will shift this T. This T we will shift right here. Okay, so it becomes 80. 80 is equal to Vf minus Vi. Vf minus Vi divided by sorry. Vf minus Vi. Now this is the point. Okay. Now we will shift this Vi right here. Vi there is in minus Vi. Now we will, if we shift right here, so we will be in plus. Okay. So now 80 plus VI is equal to VF. Okay, so this is the derivation of the first equation of motion. Okay, this is the derivation of first equation of motion. So when we shift it right here, so AT plus VI is equal to VF. So this is the first equation of motion. Okay, this is the first equation of motion with us. We can write it like it also, and we can write it that Vf is equal to Vi plus At. We can also write it like this. Okay, so this was the first equation of motion. I hope you all will get it, a great understanding from it. Now we will move to second. So this is the turn of second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. This is the second equation of motion. Okay. So now in second equation of motion, this is the. It has also some story. Okay. The same story. The same story. Which one is first equation of motion? Now the same story is in second equation, but this has some changes. Okay. This has some changes. The car was moving with uniform velocity. Then he suddenly accelerated to some speed. Okay. And with respect to time. So now we will do the derivation of second equation motion in two parts. Okay, first if we take this shape, okay, what makes this shape? This shape makes triangle. This shape makes triangle. Okay, in this triangle, this was acceleration he did, this was his time, and this was the acceleration and time makes a product, and the product is AT, the height of it. Okay, so now the height of it, this was. Now if we solve it, what is the area of triangle with us? Area of triangle. What is the area of triangle with us? The area of triangle is 1 divided by 2 base multiplied by height. Base multiplied by height. Now we will represent this whole with S. Okay, S is equal to 1 divided by 2 will be in S1. This was we will name this S1, and the other rectangle will be known as S2. Okay, so 1 divided by 2 will be in its own place. Now what is base with us? The base of this is of triangle is T with respect to time he has traveled. Okay, time. Now multiply by time. Okay, now multiply by height. Now height, what is height with us? The height is 80 with us. Okay, multiply by 80. So now there is 2 t's with us. There are 2 t's. So S 80 with us. Okay, 1 divided by 2, 80 square. So like this was the area of triangle with us. This was the area of triangle with us. Now it is the turn of area of rectangle. Area of rectangle we will find. Okay, area of rectangle. This is rectangle. Okay, with us. The distance we have taken in two parts. Now what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle. The area of rectangle is base length multiplied by breadth. So this is the area of rectangle with us. Now S2, okay, is equal to, what is length? Now what is the length here? Vi is the length of rectangle with us. Okay, so it is Vi. Now multiply by, what is breadth? Breadth is T. We all know that he has traveled with respect to time. So multiply by T. So S2 is equal to Vi T. This is the area of rectangle with us. Now we will plus this and this, we will be plus. Okay, we will plus the area of triangle and with the area of rectangle. So what will it be that first? So now we will this will be S1 plus S2. Okay, S1 plus S2, okay, plus S1 with S2. Okay, so will it be? That S is equal to, the whole will be represented with S is equal to 1 divided by 2 AT square plus what is was the area of rectangle VIT. So this is the second equation of motion with us. So I hope you are able to get a great understanding from my second equation, my explanation of second equation also. So, now it is the turn of third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. So now what is the third equation of motion right here? The third equation of motion, it has no story, okay? It has just to solve it, okay? So now, in third equation of motion, this is the whole journey traveled by a car. So now we will just put the shape down, okay? We will now put the shape down, okay? So what is when we put the shape downward, right here, so what shape does it makes with that? In the previous it was make triangle and rectangle with us. Now what shape does it makes right here with us? So what shape does it make? This shape is known as trapezoid. This shape is known as trapezoid, okay? So remember that this shape is known as trapezoid, okay? Now if we just find the area of trapezoid, now it is the time of derivation, okay? So trapezoid, area of trapezoid. So what is the area of trapezoid with us? The area of trapezoid is sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides divided by 2 multiplied by 2. So this is the area. So sum of parallel sides, parallel means that these all are like in one direction, okay? Parallel sides multiplied by height, t is height with the side, okay, right here, and divided by t. Now if we just put this structure like this, okay, so now it would be like, so like area of trapezoid, sum of parallel sides multiplied by 2 divided by 2, this is the area, this is the formula of area of trapezoid, okay? So now this is height with us, the t is height with us, so sum of parallel side, what are the sum of parallel side with us? Sum of parallel side are this with us, okay? So area of trapezoid is equal to, this is Vi and this is Vf with us, okay? This one is Vi with us initial velocity and this is final velocity. So sum of parallel side is Vi minus Vf. Vi minus Vf. So Vi plus Vf, this sum of parallel side, okay? So Vi plus Vf divided by 2 multiplied by 2. So like we have to find this height. That what is height with us? What is height with us? So now there is no space, so I will write right here. So like this was Vf is equal to Vi plus At, okay? This is the, from the first equation of motion we will now find T, okay? So this A and T, so we will shift this Vi, this was plus Vi plus Vi, so here will be Vf minus Vi minus V is equal to 8. So now we will shift this A right here. This A is in multiplication right here. So when it come right here, so it will be in division. Vf minus Vi divided by 8 and is equal to. So like this is the T with us, okay? So now we have find this T. So now we will put T right here. Area of trapezoid is equal to Vi plus Vf divided by 2 multiplied by, what is the T with us? T is Vf minus Vi, Vf minus Vi Vf minus Vi minus Vi divided by A. So this is the T with us, okay. So now we have written these both. Now we have to, what we have to do? We all represent this with us S, okay. So S is equal to 2. Now this 2 and A, we will shift this 2 and A right here. Okay, so we will write, sorry, I've written it down first. S2A. Okay, we can write S2A right as it is. Okay, it will be easy to all of you. Is equal to Vi plus Vf is left with us. We multiply by Vf minus Vi. So these are left with us behind. Okay. So when we multiply it, so what will be the answer here with us? Okay. What will be the answer? So there is one. So 2as we can also write it 2as, okay. S2a we can also write, and 2as we can also write, okay. So Vi, there is 2 Vi, so what we will write, we can put bracket here also for our easiness, okay. So Vi square plus minus plus and minus 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 Vf square. So this is the third equation of motion with us. I hope you all will get it a great understanding from this video. So now I should repeat it for all of you, okay, for your easiness, okay. So third equation of motion, this was the shape, we have put it down, and the shape is known as trapezoid. Now the shape is now what is the area of trapezoid? Sum of parallel sides divided by 2 multiplied by height. T was the height with us. Now area of trapezoid is equal to Vi plus Vf. Now if we open it, that this was Vf and this was Vi, and this is Vi, this is Vf with us. So Vi plus Vf divided by 2 was in its own place. This was height, T was also on its own place. Now we have to find T. We have to find T from the first equation of motion. From the first equation of motion, Vf is equal to Vi plus At was first equation of motion with us. Now Vf minus Vf, we will shift Vf right here. So Vf minus Vi will be shifted right here. So V minus Vi is equal to At will be in its own place. Then we will shift A right. We shift for multiplication right here. So when we shift it right here, so it will be in division. So is equal to T was left right here. Okay. So the T has also been founded with us. So area of trapezoid Vi plus Vf multiplied by Vf minus Vi. So divided Vi plus Vf divided 2, it was in its own place, and T was Vf minus Vi divided 8. Now what we have to do, that S is we write whole with S, okay. So the 2 and A was shifted right here. So 2as, it has been 2as is equal to, we can write both like both, okay, is equal to Vi plus Vf. Now Vf minus Vi. So like S2a is Vi plus Vf minus Vi. It makes the formula. A square plus B square. A plus B and A minus B. So it makes like this formula with us, okay. So now this is left with us. When we multiply these both, there are in multiplication there is 2 Vi with us and 2 Vf. So it square is being put it right here, that Vi square and Vf square. So like this is the third equation of motion with us. I hope you already get a great understanding what are equation of motions, and goodbye from Muhammad Azan Khan.